Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this one I will put on the right. Next, we divide both sides by lny. The x and x I will put on the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I want to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to lny. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the y over y. So lny we change by u. dy over y we change by du. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y, and we put about c. About ln u. About u we change by ln y. And here is the answer. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.